Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website in Dorik. Dorik is an easy to use website builder with great customization options. So if you are a beginner looking to build a website without any coding, this is the perfect tool. Let's dive in. To start, go to dorik.com and sign up for a free account. If you already have an account, just log in. Dorik offers both free and paid plans, so feel free to explore and pick the best option for your needs. Once you are logged in, you will land on the dashboard. Here you can manage all your website, see analytics, and access templates. To make things easier, Dorik provides a variety of templates for different purposes, portfolios, business sites, blogs, and more. Let's select a template that matches our website goal. For this tutorial, I will choose a simple business template to showcase the main features. Click on the preview to get an idea of what the template look like. Once you are satisfied, select Start Editing to customize it to fit your needs. Dorix templates are made up of sections and blocks. Each block is customizable. Hover over any section like the header or hero section and click Edit to start making changes. Let's edit the hero section first. Editing text is simple. Just click on any text element to type in your own content. For images, click on the placeholder. Then either upload your own or choose from the image library. Let's replace this header image with something relevant. If you want to add more content, Dorik has pre-designed blocks. You can add with one click. Scroll through the Add section panel and let's add a testimonials section to give social proof. Simply click to add it and it will appear on your page. To make the website look unique, you can customize the colors and fonts. Go to the design panel on the left side, on the left, and choose your brand's color, fonts, font styles, and sizes. Play around with these settings until you get the look you want. Dorik also lets you add background images or colors to each section. Select a section, go to the background settings, and either upload an image, add a color, or even apply gradients for extra style. Every website needs a way for visitors to get in touch. Let's add a contract from to the footer or contract page. Dorik has pre-made forms you can customize. Just fill in the form field and settings, and it's ready to collect inquiries. Dorik supports integrations with tools like MailChimp, Google Analytics, and Facebook Pixel. Go to integrations to connect these tools if you need email marketing or visitor tracking. When you are ready to make the website public, you will want a custom domain. Go to domain settings in the dashboard. You can use a Dorik subdomain or connect your custom domain if you have one. After setting up your domain, it's time to publish. Click publish in the top right corner and your site will go live. You can make edits anytime and republish to keep the site updated. And that's it. You have created a professional website in Dorik from scratch. Now you can start sharing your link and attaching visitors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with any questions. See you in the next tutorial.